Okay, all morning you've been talking about this weather bomb, and now you're going to explain it more to us, which I'm very excited about.
So weather bomb is actually a meteorological term. A lot of the time you hear these kind of sexy words that we use in terms of weather, and they're anecdotes that we apply. This is an actual term. It's called a bomb cyclone, and yesterday something called bombogenesis happened. This is a real weather word. It means when the central pressure of a low pressure system drops by 24 millibars in 24 hours. It can drop even more. So we've added in our mean sea level pressure lines and bands just to really illustrate this. This low, this bomb we're talking about, is that red bullseye you see right in the middle of the screen. And notice as we go through the next couple of hours, this is the last 12 hours or so, you really see those lines get close together. What it means is that the pressure is deepening. Those lines are getting tighter together, winds are elevating. In layman's terms, it means the storm gets strong really fast. What's really cool about this, Priya, is that see where the storm is in the central part of the United States? We don't often see bombogenesis happening in the center of a continent. Often we see these with nor'easters, and you're well familiar with these.
Yeah, along the coast.
Along the east coast. And then the reason being is that we've got this vast amount of ocean available for the storm, and water really acts as fuel for storms. So it pulls in all of that moisture, and it can deepen rapidly. So these nor'easters often hit Atlantic Canada. To have something like this happen in the middle of a continent is just extraordinary. Now, obviously, there's a major impact on Canada today. The further west you are, so Manitoba, Northwest Ontario, you're dealing with blizzard conditions, a lot of snow. And then outside of that, all of this mild air up from the Gulf of Mexico is bringing temperatures like up to 14 degrees today in winter Ontario. Risk of thunderstorms across the lower Great Lakes. This will all move its way eastward and into Atlantic Canada. Now we're talking the spring melt elevated from this because it's really warm. We've got rain moving through, so we've got flood concerns. It is a major low pressure system and really exciting for meteorologists. For viewers at home, maybe less exciting.
Not so exciting. There's so many sides to it. So there's the cold weather, there's the snow, and then there's this warm weather around it.
And the wind. I cannot underestimate the wind. As that pressure gets tighter, the winds really elevate. So tweet us your pictures of what you're experiencing on the ground as the weather bomb moves through your region.